Alright, so everyone's always asking me like how I have such good skin. It's two things, okay? First thing, good genetics. Okay. Second thing, I do the absolute most when it comes to my skincare. So my nighttime skin routine consists of several steps. First one being this one. The Camelia one-step cleansing oil by Tatcha. It's my favorite. I'm almost out of this shit, so I won't have to buy some more here in a couple days. So you want to get like a couple pumps of the shit out, and low key, it looks like splooge, but fuck it. So rub it on your hands and apply it to a dry face. Okay, dry face. Oh, it smells so fucking good. Literally all over. In my eyeballs, my eyelids, because I apply eye cream and eye serum to my eyes. Now, the reason why I do a multi-cleansing routine is because the first step is an oil-based cleanser. You know, like your skin produces a lot of oil, right? And when you wash with a water-based cleanser, it's not going to remove that oil because it's simple science, bro. Water doesn't get rid of oil. Simple. And it's especially important too for when you apply a facial oil throughout the day, because I apply a facial oil during my morning skincare routine to seal in all my products and to create like a little barrier between my skin and the environment. So then you want to wet a cloth and wipe the shit off. Get all the shit off, all of it. Now I'm a little bit OCD, so I like to go over it twice. And the reason I do that is because I want to make sure I got it all off. Literally, all of it, okay? Next step is I'm gonna go in with my water-based cleanser, which is the Tatcha Deep Cleanse. Not gonna lie, it's my favorite cleanser. But I'm probably about to switch back to the Youth to the People, the Green Superfood Cleanser, because A, it's $2 cheaper than this, and you get double the quantity. No brainer. So make sure your hands are wet when you're getting your cleanser ready, and you wanna go in and do the same thing. So an oil-based cleanser gets rid of oil-based products, right? And like the oil on your skin, but it doesn't do anything for the water-based products. So that's where you go in with the water-based cleanser after the oil-based cleanser to get rid of those products. Now once again, I'm gonna do it twice, just to really make sure I got it all off, okay? Cool, I'm gonna dry my face. Ta-da, dry face. Look. Ooh, bitch. So the next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get an organic cotton pad, because I'm bougie, but any cotton pad will work for you. I'm going to saturate it with my third step of my routine, which is a toner or a micellar water or a beauty water, something of that nature. If there's anything left over by my two other cleansers, this is gonna remove them. And not only that, it's going to tone my skin, it's gonna prep my skin for all my following serums and moisturizers and whatnot, you know? So that my skin can really just absorb those products, because I'm not about to pay $90 for a serum and it's not actually going to my skin, you know? So you wanna gently sweep it all over your skin. I get my eyeballs too, cause what, I'm bougie. Just go over your whole skin, okay? And then toss it. Which makes no sense that I buy organic cotton pads when I throw them bitches away anyway, so I mean they're the same price, who cares? So I'm gonna let that shit dry Before I continue, look at my fucked up hair. Yes, it's quarantine. I have not had a haircut. Look, my lines, you can barely see them. My lines grew out like 2 weeks ago. Actual tears. So the toner that I use, it's a triple cleansing water. It's by Sephora brand. It's a clean product. I only use clean products, by the way, because I don't want like chemicals on my skin. I mean, I don't eat chemicals. I don't use chemicals in my products anywhere. So why would I put them on my skin? Makes no sense. But I love this one. Actually, it's got zinc in it to help calm the skin. So the only other one that I recommend that's, you know, not this one, it's only 12 bucks, this one is the beauty water. It's by a company called Sun and Pock. That beauty water, bitch, life. Absolute life. Okay, it's the perfect third step cleanser. All right, so I feel pretty much dry with this shit. So what I'm gonna do now is at nighttime, I apply this by Corsx. It's a blackhead power liquid. It's BHA, so it's got beta hydroxy acid in there to help with the cell turnover rate in my skin, you know, to keep the dry skin cells from clogging my pores. And also, it's to help dissolve the blackheads that are in my skin. You know, everyone has blackheads, you cannot avoid them at all. So I put a generous amount on, once again, an organic cotton pad, okay? And I just pat the shit all over my skin. Like this side right here, I sleep on this side of my face and I usually get pimples like right here. I start on that side and then work my way around. I don't know if you're supposed to put it on your eyes or not, but I don't because it's wet acid. So yeah, I'm not putting it on my eyes. Boom, done. Okay, that's 4 steps so far. 4 steps. Oil-based cleanser, water-based cleanser, toner/cleansing water, skin boosting serums and shit, whatever you want to call it. Okay, I'm gonna let this shit dry. Now, seeing as how I'm about to be 30 and I've been doing this for a couple years, it's very important to take care of your eyes because that's where you show your age the most. I don't look that bad, whatever. So I have this Caffeine eye serum. It's by the Inkey list. I got it from Sephora. It's like 10 bucks. It's not actually bad. And it's a clean product. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to put some on my ring finger, probably about that much, you know, it's really not that much. And I just pat the shit in. Now it's really important to use this finger and also this finger on your eyes because the skin is very delicate. Now everyone says you can create micro tears, fuck your skin up. I've never actually seen it, but I've also never actually used any other fingers on this part of my eye. So yeah, there's that. Okay, I'm gonna do the same with my other eye. So that much, okay. Now I also don't rub around my eyes. You know, for that reason, I don't want to tear the skin. I've never seen a micro tear in your skin and I really don't want to. So there's that. Also, I watched this video earlier. I forget where it was from, like Beauty Insider, I think. And it was this jet facial or whatever, what's it called? I don't know, yeah, jet facial, something like that. I don't know. But that shit looked crazy. There was like this like jet that was like pushing air out of it like crazy. And it like pushes blackheads and like debris out of your pores. So I'm like, what? I want it. So yeah, that's on my list. Okay. Eyes are pretty much cool. They feel dry. Feels worked in. All over. Okay. Next, I'm gonna go in with my serum. I'm using the Ordinary Buffet. It's got like, it's a multi-technology peptide serum, blah, blah, blah. It's got a lot of good shit in there. I bought it because it was $15 and it's a dope serum and I've heard nothing but good things about the Ordinary and I wanted to try it. So if you can see how much is in there, bitch, I've been using the fuck out of this. Now during the day, what I do is I'll skip this step. I won't do that during the day because I don't want acid on my skin during the day because I'm gonna be outside and shit. What's up? I'll take a full pump of each. This Sephora Vitamin C serum and also this, and I'll mix them and then I'll pat them into my skin. But at night, I only use the Ordinary Buffet serum. So I got a full pumper thing of it or whatever, squeeze dropper. And look at that. Super clear. Now I'm gonna put it all over my hand. I'm gonna press it into my pores. Now this one doesn't look like them, but it smells like it, so. Boom. Done. Okay. Now after that, I'm gonna go in with my eye cream. This is a Skinfix Barrier Plus Lipid Boost 360 Eye Treatment. I don't know, it's a clean product. I wanted a new eye cream, so I bought it. It's like 40 bucks. Once again, eyes. You use this finger and this finger only. Your ring finger and your pinky finger. Because it's what? Sensitive skin, bitch. So I'm gonna take a good amount, a little droplet like that. Then I'm gonna, you know, apply that right there. And I'm going to do the same on this side. Okay, I'm just gonna go in and I'm gonna pat this shit in. And this one I'm gonna go on my eyelids too, because it says to go all around the orbital bone, which is this bone right there. Okay. And I'm gonna pat it in until you can't see it anymore. Looks pretty good. Okay. Next, I'm gonna follow with my moisturizer, which right now, honestly, I really like this Sephora 3 oil Nourishing Moisturizer. It's also clean. Okay. Now during the day, I would mix a couple drops of this Coola SPF serum in with it. Because, you know, SPF during the day prevents free radicals. It also protects you from the sun, which ages you. So I take probably about that amount, and I just work it onto my hands, and then I go all over. Can't forget your neck, because your eyes and your neck show age the fastest. Boom, done. Okay. My last and final step during the day is I would apply an oil. Now I apply 4 drops of this emerald oil. No more, no less, because if I do more, I'll look greasy and gross. If I do less, what's the point? There is none. Okay. Now, seeing as how it's nighttime and I'm gonna go to sleep for 7-8 hours, something like that, I'm gonna do a nighttime mask. Okay. I don't do this every night. I do this maybe once or twice a week. It's the Watermelon Glow Mask by Glow Recipe. Now, this particular mask, it's got AHAs and BHAs in it, once again, to really like take off a layer of your skin, essentially. So I'm gonna shake the fuck out of it. Ooh, shake, 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 shake. Service! Can I get some service up in here? It's the bitch bell. Shake the fuck out of it to mix it up, because it's like this like goopy product. Oh, this shit smells good too. So I'm gonna take a good amount, rub it in my hands, pat it on my skin, okay? Now this one, it's important to wash your face right when you wake up, because you don't want to go out into the sun with acid on your skin. And the instructions say to pat this one in 2 layers. So here's layer 1. I'm gonna keep going until it's like all the way saturated. Boom, layer 1's done. Because they say if you don't pat it in and you roll it in, it's gonna turn into like little balls and it's not gonna be effective. So what's the point? I didn't pay $46 for this overnight sleeping mask for it not to fucking work. So second layer, I'm gonna get the same amount probably. Similar. And once again, pat the shit in, pat it in. Boom. there you have it. That's my skincare routine. Stop asking me all these fucking questions. Watch the video. And get your skin right, bruh. Or sis. Whatever. Get your skin right. So that's how I do it. Okay. Good night. Ciao.